Namaskar, my dear farmers, my brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Kishan Chandra, Director, National Center of Organic Farming, Ghaziabad. As you know, this is my office is under the subordinate office of our Ministry of Agriculture, and we are promoting from last 5 years this waste decomposer concept. Now recently we have noted this waste decomposers, our bottle, once you multiply and it can keep years to years, and that if you are using in the high pH of soil, even pH of 10.5 pH, if you are using 1000 liter per acre, the soil became buffer and it is reduced your pH. Within a 6-7 months you will see the drastic change. So it is happening all over India, and this is the one concept. Second concept, we have seen the farmers have reported now the stony your field, which field have a lot of stones, red type of stones, white type of stones. So red type of stone is due to iron, white is sometimes it is aluminium. So that stony soil has been changed with the use of waste decomposer continuously. From when you are using 1.5 years, 2 years, it's changed the complete your stones became soil. And we all know there is no method. If you want to convert any soil as a fertile, this our top soil formation takes years to years, even 100 years, more than 100 years it took. But with the use of waste decomposer, as you know the solution, you can see the solution again. This is the right solution color. If this we are using it 1000 liter per acre continuously, any type of soil will be fertile. It may take some time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, sometimes 3.5 years or 4 years, but not more than 4 years. It is always happen in 3 years. So total soil became changed. It is porous. All micronutrient will be always nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, micronutrient. What we have read and what we know, 18 elements, it will be more than 18 elements. You will get about 70 to 80 elements in the soil. So soil became so healthy, whatever seeds you put, it gets sprouted, and you will get the different type of your vegetable, different types of fruits. So it has been evident from the videos of the farmers that I have uploaded, and a lot of farmers are visiting to us every day, and they are reporting it, their soil has completely changed in 1 year. So whatever pH may be, if it is acidic soil, even 3.5 pH, it will slowly decrease. If pH is high, 10.5 or more, it will reduce slowly. So this is happening with the use of waste decomposer, and we all know it is a very cheap technology and there is no side effect, very environmental friendly, and you will find a lot of magical changes in the soil and in your life, in your field, in your house. So this is due to only waste decomposer. So again I humbly submit to all my farmers, don't get confused. Please use waste decomposer continuously at least 6 months, and then see the results with your eye.